Hello, we are Group D, and our topic project is about multiple function DSP analyzer, including FFFT and signal processing applications. We developed two main parts. One is a sound analyzer, and the other is a speech recognition. For the sound equalizer, we're going to use the line to display on the DGA a signal. We put some music. We can say that changing the input signal to obtain different amplitudes. And we also can change the output sound. We are going to speak now about speech recognition. This function stands on sound analyzer. We use some of the main blocks, and then we developed an algorithm to realize this function. Now we are going to use the microphone instead of the lightning, and each command we are going to use shows different pattern from which we'll obtain a unique fingerprint. These commands are play, hold, and stop. We're going to show the LED, and when we say play, it will activate the LED, snake LED. We hold, it will pause, and we say stop, it will turn off. Play. We can see how the LEDs are moving now as snake. Hold. They pause. Stop. And they turn off. Play. Stop. Play. Hold.
Hello, I want to introduce the SD card to play music through the audio. Yeah, and now I will show you how to play the music on the D2 board. Now let's compile the program is compiled already, and then I will show you how to start the program. Now the music is played. Yeah, you can see here. This three button key button controls the volume of the music. For example, if I press this button, it will increase the volume. If I press, it will decrease the volume. Yeah, you can see that. And if I push this button, it will change to the next sound. You can see, you can hear clearly the next sound and then the next one. Sorry, this is the next one. And when I change every music, the name will show in this LCD display screen. Yeah, and this is the volume. This is the name. When I press the next button, it will show the next song. Yeah, and then the next one, next one, next one. Yeah, and you can see there is some 7 segments. It will counter the play time of music. Yeah, you can see here. So that's it. This is my program about the SD card.